please do spare a moment to hit the red subscribe button and also the bell notification icon to get notifications about our future updates. This is MCSPM again, and this is a tech leak video about the Huawei Mate 20 Lite. As we can see now, the back side of the phone, the schematic diagram of the back side of the phone is revealed by FCC. We can see that it has rounded corners and a dual lens and a fingerprint scanner with a flashlight, and it is written Huawei Technologies Co. Limited, some place name and made in China, so it is being manufactured in China. Right side of it is Secret and SNE L-X1 smartphone, maybe the model. This is how the backside of Huawei Mate 20 Lite is going to be looking like. This is one of the latest leak that I've seen.